Hi everyone, we're going to find the partial fraction decomposition of this problem. These are both linear terms, so my LCD or least common denominator is that, so I'm just breaking it up to see what my A and B will be, and we want these to be proper rationals. So the first thing we're going to do is clear the fractions, and we're going to multiply by our least common denominator, and those will cancel on the left side. This will cancel with that, and you're going to get 2x plus 1 plus b. These two cancel, and you're left with 3x minus 2. All right, and we want to zero out the a or the b, so if we zero out the a, I want a 0 here, so I'm going to let my x equal negative 1/2. Because negative 1/2 times 2 is negative 1/2, so you're going to get x equals, well, x is actually negative 1/2, so let's put negative 1/2 equals a times 2 times negative 1/2 plus 1 plus b times 3 times negative 1/2 minus 2. Now simplifying, we're going to get negative 1/2. This equals 0, so that goes away. So we just need to clean that part up. And clean that part up, you're going to get negative 7/2 b. So when you do add 7/2 to both sides, well, we're not going to add, we have to multiply. So when you multiply both sides by negative 7/2, you're going to get b. And why am I doing that? All right. Sorry, a little tired. So you're multiplying by negative 2/7. Negative 2/7. Because we want this to equal 1. So that cancels. So you get b equals 2/14, which equals 1/7. Now we just have to find a. So for a, we're going to let x equal 2/3. So basically we get 2/3 equals a times 2 times 2/3 plus 1 plus b times 3 times 2/3 minus 2. Now this just zeroes out because this is just going to be 2 minus 2, and that's why we picked 2/3. So let's take care of this side. We get 2/3 equals, if you add all this up, that's 4/3, and the 1 we can write as 3/3. So that's going to be 7/3 a. And see if I don't make my same mistake as last time. Multiply both sides by 3/7. So that cancels. So we get a equals 6/21, which equals 3, which equals 2. If you divide both sides by 3, you get 2/7. So a is 2/7, and b from the previous slide was 1/7. And now we're finished. So we have x divided by 3x minus 2 times 2x plus 1 equals my a, which is 2/7 divided by 3x minus 2 plus 1/7 divided by 2x plus 1. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.